Hi, I'm Dr. Ravi Teja Rudraraju, complex knee and sports medicine surgeon at Apollo Jubilee Hills. Today we have Mr. Sagar with us. He's an IT employee. He has got a knee injury, I think 4 months ago while playing badminton. So he came to see me. On examination, I have noticed that he has got a ligament tear. To confirm my examination, so I sent him to MRI, and definitely MRI confirmed an ACL tear along with a grade 1, grade 2 meniscal tears. I have explained him the benefits of undergoing a ACL reconstruction. With my advice, he has further discussed with his family and read more about the surgery and came back to me. So I explained him that I will take his own tendons and replace it with his natural ACL. So here we have Mr. Sagar today. He is now 6 weeks post-op ACL reconstruction surgery. I'm very happy to say that he has walked into my OPD very comfortably, and he was very happy with how it has been in the last 6 weeks. Now let's hear from him how was his journey and what are the advices that he will give to people who have this kind of injuries.
Myself Sagar, I got ACL injury while playing badminton in Bengaluru. So I am staying in Bengaluru in self. So I came to Hyderabad. So I want to go to hospital based orthopedio and sports medicine surgeon and young surgeon. So I meet Dr. Ravi Teja Rudraraju. So we spoke with, I got many doubts for knee injuries, and he explained clearly and about my doubts. We already, so we decided to undergo surgery. So I got surgery 6 weeks back, so I'm able to walk. So thank you, Dr. Ravi Rudraraju and Apollo.
So thank you, Mr. Sagar. So I'm sure you have heard from him that people who play sports are most likely to have ligament injuries, and when you have this kind of problems, it's important to seek attention, because if you don't get treatment at the right time, it will impact your joint health, leading to chronic problems like arthritis and other problems in the future. So ACL tear is a common tear in the knee. Similarly, you might have meniscal tears, you might have other kind of a ligament injuries that can happen with people who play sports. So please do reach out to us if you have any such knee problems particularly and related to sports or anything else, and we are happy to hear from you and help you out from all this trouble at Apollo Jubilee Hills. Thank you once again and looking forward to seeing you soon.